I like this. Yeah. Oh Lord, have His mercy. I can get you knocked for 100 bands. Did a drive.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach the knots on the lace closure. You can also use this method on the lace frontal as well, or if you have a wig you can also use this method. All these products that I use, I got them from Sally's Beauty. I'm just showing you guys the closure that we'll be working with today, and this is a 6x6 transparent lace closure from my website www.sarahjoygeller.com, and I'm just using the Got To Be Free spray along with a rotate comb to comb the baby hair back just so they don't get caught up in the bleach.
Whole house.
Now the bleach powder that I'll be using is from Kaleidoscope. I use 3 scoops along with the Salon Care 40 volume developer. I didn't necessarily measure the developer, but I just eyeballed it and just mix until I get this thick consistency, kind of similar to like the icing on a cake icing. Yeah, because you don't want it to get too runny, because you don't want it to seep through the knots and get on the roots of the hair. Also, you don't want it to be too thick, because then it won't get to the knots and then they won't be bleached.
Whole house.
Now a little trick that I used that I want to share with you guys is to flip the knife over and ensure that the bleach is not falling off the knife. Now if it's coming off the knife, that simply means that it's too runny and you need to add a little more powder to balance out the consistency. Once we've achieved the perfect consistency, you're just gonna carefully use the knife and spread the bleach on like butter. Now be careful with this, because you don't want to do this like too heavy-handed, because you don't want the bleach to seep through. Also guys, you're gonna see me start from the back of the closure, because usually the front where the hairline is, it takes less time for it to change color than the back. The back takes a longer time to process. So I usually start from the back first and work my way up to the front.
Whole house.
So now that we're through with this step, I'm just gonna turn it over and let it sit on the aluminum foil for a few minutes. Now guys, this is very important. You have to check the closure like every 5 to 6 minutes, because not all closure does not take the same amount of time to bleach, and you don't want to over process the knots. So please check frequently, especially if you use the 40 volume developer like I did. Now that our knots are completely bleached, I'm going to go in and remove the excess bleach. Then I'm going to follow up with the Tresemme shampoo and then the Ion Purple shampoo.
Whole house.
purpose of the purple shampoo is to cancel out the brustiness on the closure after the bleach, but I did use the purple kaleidoscope bleach powder, so the closure was honestly not that rusty. But I did have it already, so I did go in, you know, extra precautions, and I did use the purple shampoo, and then I let it sit on the closure for about 10 minutes. This is the end of the video, guys. Please remember to give me a thumb up if you did learn something from this video, if you did enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Later.
Socks and the feet, probably even more so. Never send no shots to me, cause I'm doing 10 toes. I'ma send a couple shots to whoever.